In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert text into shape, and I'm going to give you a very important tip or something that you have to be aware of if you want this to work, because I actually watched other videos, how to convert text to a shape, and there's something there it's missing there. I actually struggled myself because I've tried what they showed me and it didn't work. It actually I had some problems. I was using that strategy, but the shapes or the text turned into a shape, but literally, like instead of having there the text, it was turning in a shape, in a rectangle. So I'm going to show you what's the fix. First, let's go to blank here, and now let's add a shape. I'm going to add this. Actually, I would like to add this circle. Now I'm gonna add this this text from here, text box, and I'm gonna add this. Also change the color and just increase the text. Now something that you have to be aware of. Let's say we have here some maybe we have maybe we added here some background, right? Now when I'm showing you this because the strategy to turn this text into a shape, because now if I will select the text and the shape, the text will not increase its size, will stay the same, and this is really annoying when you want to create the project. There's so many scenarios where you would need to increase the size of the text and the shape at the same time, and it has to work. So the trick here is to actually go to shape, merge shapes, and here you should click on union. But as you can see, this text turns into actually a literal shape and is not working this strategy, and that's because, and believe me, I actually searched for a solution for more than 2 hours, almost 3 hours, and I couldn't find a solution. And that's because that doesn't work because you have a background. And for some of you, this might be obvious, but you can still don't have any background here. So here in a text field, you have no text field. All right, so we don't have text outline, we don't have outline, and we also here in home we don't have no field, but you can actually have here, maybe you can have this color, and you don't even know that you have this color here. You have this highlight added to your in theory added, because it's not added but it is selected, and it shows here this color that we have from here, and you don't know, and you're trying again and it still won't work. And oh, I struggled to find a solution for this problem so many times for so long, and yeah, it's still not working, as you can see. And now if I go back, and now it might be really simple, you know, the problem to fix this problem, it's in theory it's simple, it's not hard to fix this problem, but if you aren't aware of the issue, of the thing that's causing this problem, then it's gonna take some time. So now if I go back, I select and or just right click here and just remove this to no color. Now it should work. Now it should work. So as you can see, now it works without any problem. So now we basically we can click here on combine, and we can also fragment. If we click on combine, now it's actually a shape inside this shape, this text. That's now actually this text inside this shape. And if you hold shift, you have text and also shape, which is awesome. which is really awesome. But Control Z, let's redo. You can also go to shape and now click on fragment, and you have this text that's turned into a shape. We can now resize. We can double click now and change the text, like it's just not possible now. But we also have, what's cool, that we also have this can group this, Control plus G. Now we also have this shape that has um, this what it's called in English, at, right? This icon here that it's has the shape printed on this shape, this text printed on this shape, which is nice. So you have multiple ways to play with this, to change, to do a lot of things, so it's really nice and really helpful. And we also have more options here: intersect, subtract, which now will subtract that part, combine, also that's great, as I showed you before. So yeah, that's a great strategy. That's great. Like this, you can create really nice shapes. Like you can maybe add a picture, and we can go to, actually let's create some text, or we can yeah, maybe add some text. Hello, increase its size. And now, as I said, make sure you have no color here. And now we can add a shape behind. Control open square bracket, and or you can also right click and select send back. Here, send back. And now we select this, and we can create this effect and change this field to any color we want. And now we have this text printed in this shape. And of course now we can add some picture behind, and it will look really nice. We can also add some shadow, which again gives a really nice effect. And now here from Unsplash, I'm gonna grab an image. Let's say this one, copy image, and now I can Control plus V, and let's zoom out. Now, of course, it is a good idea to actually click picture format and just crop this image. Enter, and now Control or just right click if you don't want to use the shortcut, bring in front. Now we can create this nice effect. Can even click on this, right click, format shape, gradient. Can remove this one, and only leave this one. And maybe for this one we're gonna add some, and also make sure is, and also let's add this, and just do that have increased transparency, and not really to 100%, but close. Now we can change this one to, I think, the one that's 45 degrees. Looks good. So yeah, there's many different effects you can create with this. Like this. like this. Now we would need to increase this as well. And we have this nice effect. What's cool that you can even add more, or actually you can like right click and here you can add some line maybe, you know, something like this. You can also change the for this we can also change size from here, position, and of course add more, add some shadow and transparency. Something like this. You can also add to this some, because like behind it looks kind of great if we add some so let's go in picture color, some sharpness, but also some you can also add some saturation. So yeah, I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.